Hi, my name's Steve Cutler. I'm from the Academy of Live Technology, a live sound lecturer. I'm introducing our brand new Digico Quantum 225 mixing console. We've recently purchased two of these. The reason that they're so amazing is, first of all, they have what's called nodal processing. This is the ability to stack multiple effects across all your auxiliaries, so every monitor mix can be unique. They also have what's called clang card integration. So we have a clang card installed into this machine that enables 3D in-ear monitor mixing, which should both make a clearer, better monitor mix for all of the artists that use it, as well as reducing the overall volume and possible hearing damage to our artists. There is a number of advantages of having the massive 17-inch LED touchscreen, and again a customizable second screen, which is currently got a laptop on it. We will be getting some amazing large colour touchscreens as well to use with that clang card. Just speaking to some of my third years today, and they were so excited about the fact that we've just purchased these Quantum desks. It represents the absolute industry benchmark of the best when it comes to mixing consoles. Both in theatre and throughout the rock and roll touring world, Digico Quantums seem to be the choice of the absolute best. So they're just happy that they can get their hands on something that's not really attainable at any other level.